Hey guys, it's Kendra Michelle and thanks for coming to my channel if it's your first time. If not, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed this look that I did for you guys today. It's a nice and fresh little glowy look. Very simple, everyday look that anybody can do. So I hope you guys check out the rest of the video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below, and like the video. I also have some other videos that you guys can check out. I'll link them below. And also I have a makeup and mimosas class coming up February 24th. I'll also leave the link for the ticket there. I'm doing this class with myself and my best friend, Glam by Amber J. I hope you guys go and check her out. She's a hairstylist and makeup artist as well. So we're really looking forward to doing this class with you guys. And that's my son screaming in the background because hey, it's life and that happens, but we're gonna keep on going. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. So like I said, today we're doing a fresh glowy look. And so yeah, so we're gonna be doing a fresh glowy look today. So I just have got started with my eyebrows and I have that. And I'm gonna start off by spraying my face with the Bedescu rose water. First, I'm gonna prime my face. I'm gonna be using two things today. I'm gonna be using this illuminating primer, and then I'm gonna be using this glow serum. And I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm trying to get it camera to focus. Still trying to figure this out, how my camera exactly works. I don't think I have it on the right settings. But anyway, this is what it looks like. And it is a Glow Vitamin C and Magnesium Facial Serum. And I got this at Marshall's for $5.99. And I like it so far. It seems to be giving my skin a bit of a glow. So first I'm going to start off with this Illuminating Primer by Maybelline. And then I'm going to go in with my drops. It comes with a little tube like this. And you just need a couple drops. I'm going to be dramatic like all the other YouTubers and put it on my face. So I just put 3 drops. And then you want to rub it in before it drops off. Like I said, it has vitamin C and magnesium. And the purpose of it is to even out your skin tone and to help get rid of those dark spots. That's what the vitamin C is for. And magnesium is just healthy for your skin overall. I'm going to go in with my foundation, and I'm just going to be using my Maybelline foundation that I always use with my, I think I'm going to use my brush today. I'm going to be using my Real Techniques foundation brush. And I'm just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. I really wish that this came with a pump, but it doesn't. So just going to use the back of my hand, dab the brush in, and dab it all over my face. And then I'm going to buff it into the skin. And now that I have the coverage that I want, I'm going to go ahead and apply concealer. I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Tan Sand. I think it's Tan Sand. Yeah, Tan Sand. And I'm just going to apply it directly to my face since it's mine. Okay, now that we have our skin highlighted, we're going to go back in and contour. I'm going to be using my Pro Concealer by LA Girl in the color Dark Cocoa. Okay, now that I have my contour set, I'm gonna go ahead and set all the highlighted areas. I'm gonna be using the Sasha Buttercup setting powder. And I'm just gonna dip my brush in, tap off the excess, apply it to my face. Setting all the areas that are highlighted. Contouring our face with the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, and we're just going in and setting all those contour areas using our powder. And because we're going for a glowy look today, we're not going to do heavy eyeshadow. I'm just going to be using my same contour kit, and I'm going to start out by using this orange color here. And I'm just going to take my fluffy brush, swirl it in there, and apply it to the crease. Orange always looks beautiful to me on brown skin. I just love a nice orange color. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the orange while I'm at it to my bottom lash line. Next, I'm gonna go in with this brown color here, and I'm gonna apply that on top of the crease. Now I'm going to go in with a clean fluffy brush and make sure that there's no harsh lines on the eyeshadow that I just applied. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some of this brown color here and this one here to my bottom lash line. And to deepen up that outer corner of my bottom lash line, I'm just going to use a bullet brush just to be a little bit more precise. Now we're going to go in with some highlighter, and we're going to be using this highlighter on the skin as well as on the eyelid. Because we're going for a glowy look, a nice fresh look, you don't want to go too heavy with the eyeshadow. Just a nice crease color and a beautiful shimmer or highlight. Apply it to the lid with your finger and you're done. So today I'm going to be using from the Itsmyrayeraye palette. I love this palette. I've been using it like every day since I got it. And I'm going to be using the color Radiant. That's this color right here, and I'm just going to take my finger, dip it in there, and I'm going to apply it to the lid in the middle, and we're just going to bring it up like that. Now I'm going to be using this brush, also from the Itsmyrayeraye collection. This is brush number 4, and I'm going to go in and I'm going to start off with the French toast color, and then I'm going to layer it with the Radiant. To finish off the look, we're going to go ahead and go to the eyes. I am going to apply some false lashes. I actually don't even know the name of these because I lost the package. So actually I need to color this strip. It's a clear strip, so I'm going to do that and I'm going to come right back. Okay, so I went ahead and applied false lashes off camera. My son is having a bit of a meltdown right now. It's kind of late at night. He didn't take a real nap today. So he's having a meltdown. So if you hear him screaming, that's what it is. He seems to be calm right now. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of this mascara while it's drying. I don't even know what kind of mascara this is. I just grabbed it really quick. I don't know. It says Maybelline. So I'm just gonna apply mascara to the bottom while it's drying, because I need to hurry up. Okay, and now we're gonna finish off this look with lips, and I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this brown lip pencil. There's Kendon, you hear him sounding off. And it's in the color Hot Cocoa. This Nude lipstick by MAC. It's from the Nicki Minaj collection, and it's in the color Nicki's Nude. They're 40% off right now at MAC, so go ahead and get you some. This is one of the items that I had in my makeup haul. If you haven't watched that video yet, go check it out. I'm gonna go ahead and top it off with this NYX Butter Gloss, and it's in the color Tiramisu. And I'm just gonna apply a little bit, if I can open it, to the middle. And here is the finished look. Here is my fresh and glowy look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, like the video, and leave a comment below. Thank you for joining me today. I hope that you can check out some of my other videos, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up.